Hello, and welcome to Content King, the only podcast that teaches you the secret to high quality content so you can achieve your highest quality life. My name is Tony, and I'll be your host. Now, as we all know, content is king. Every guru and expert is not only experimenting with organic content as a supplement to paid ads, but focusing on it more than ever before. So, how do we become the kings or queens in our industry by utilizing a strategy with content that's been under our noses this entire time? I mean, every time you've thought to develop a content strategy to grow your brand, make more sales, or position yourself as a leader in your industry, you've probably had the thought, I'm too late. Everybody is so far ahead, I'll never catch up. Or every time I sit in front of the camera, my mind goes blank. Or would anyone even want to listen to me? Or my favorite one I heard last week, no one wants to listen to a fat old broad. No, we're going to cover in a second why that's the furthest from the truth. But content is just not the monster you think it is. It's a marketing channel that is time tested and not going anywhere, which means anyone can use it to grow their business and their brand at any time. This isn't a fad that you miss out on. This is the secret to growing your business, just waiting for you to reach out and grab it. And it's more than just content creation. Over the last decade, I've created content for YouTube channels, podcasts, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Twitter, Threads, you name it. I was right there. And when I put all the lessons I've learned into practice, starting from zero products, zero services, zero followers, and zero knowledge of my customer, I was able to generate $200,000 in less than 7 months. When I looked around at everybody else in that niche, I thought, why aren't other people doing this? So many of them are struggling to make sales or be seen as the leader they desire to be. So I studied hundreds of entrepreneurs, coaches, creators, and leaders and found one difference: content, specifically high quality content. Now, I had learned how to operate a $500 mic, a $2,000 mirrorless camera, a $20,000 production studio, but those tools are useless if you don't know how to use them to create high quality content. In fact, give me an iPhone, try me. Give me an iPhone and I can create high quality content without the fancy tech and start making sales tomorrow in a brand new industry. In all of my research, I've learned that it doesn't matter what you buy, what you look like, or who you know. It all comes down to your ability to create high quality content, which is truly reflective of a high quality life. Learning to communicate your thoughts, engage with the masses, attract your target audience like a magnet will not only transform your content and your business, but your life as well. So join me on this new path toward the life you've been dreaming of. Listen, learn, and most importantly, implement these lessons quickly. Because if you aren't creating, you are waiting. Thank you for listening, and welcome to Content King. I'll be coming to you every week to absolutely demolish what you think you know about content so you can step into a world where content works for you, not the other way around. So please subscribe to the show to get notified when new episodes drop. And if you want to connect with me on social media, you can find me on all platforms at Content with Tony. I'll see you later.